that bike do?
I'm not doing that.
Damn, dude, it is packed.
Dude, it's not packed. It's early.
Oh, that's canning.
Oh, freaking Jim.
There's Jeff Walker.
Oh, it's packed.
Yeah, it's packed for sure.
It's packed. There's like nobody here.
There's Jeff Walker. Dude, that jump is huge.
What jump?
That one right there into that corner.
Nah, Jim, you got that.
You think so?
Yeah, why not?
I don't know. I'll try. First time back since I crashed here.
Yep.
Dislocated my shoulder and probably a few other things. Still a little messed up, but starting to feel a little better. Maybe surgery over the winter.
Yeah.
See how it plays out.
Whew, I have it.
There we go.
I was gonna say.
See, this is how a track should be, folks. They asked me, they saw the camera, they said, are you here to take pictures? I said, I'm doing some video. And all they said was, I'll hook you up with a vest.
Just put a vest on and you can film.
But we have one and they said, we're good to go. So.
Good to go, baby. Oh, look at this chick. He's so good. We're here at the box, Sandbox, and we're gonna set up camp, unload these pigs, and wait for the boys to show up. Gonna have a sick day. Finally, the rain decided to not spoil our weekend.
And
so
we actually got, I think, a beautiful day. It's gonna be like perfect riding weather.
We just got a huge deal because the track, I guess, is a little wet. So we paid like half price today.
Yep, here, let me, hold on.
You guys are going too fucking ham. They're going way too nuts. You grab that thing like crazy.
Dan's a pro.
No problem.
Got my power from the Beatitudes, and we did it the long way. Check out the latitude. I'm unapologetically fly. I don't wonder why. That's just my attitude. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. That's just my attitude. Yeah. I don't blame you. If I was you, I'd probably be getting attitude. Yeah, I know now that there ain't no better dude. Yeah, that's just my attitude.
Problems arose. Let me take a peek. What's going on in there?
I don't know.
Let's see.
Somehow this inner insert spun around.
The 250 is back, but it's not back.
Yeah, we're having.
Oh.
You did it.
Want some gloves? Just kidding, I don't have
Scott, you were just riding it so hard, dude.
Yeah.
So that right there, that's all the packing that was left inside of the exhaust, so that might have been why it came a little loose, potentially.
You think?
Maybe. Tequila, you see that? See that right there? That's all the packing that was inside.
So does anybody know if they're even running classes today?
Not yet. I think they'll probably say when they are.
Alright. So the track's just gonna get hammered. It was the Mintus, you guys are gonna see it in the video today. It's just gonna get progressively more hammered. But there's certain sections that are kind of limited. It's very muddy out there, but you know what? We're gonna have a good day today. MX978Boyz, let's go!
The whole way. At least the guy made it out okay, right?
He brought plenty of gear to switch out of.
Yeah, he's got, yeah.
Time for a break.
It's crazy to think though, like out on the West Coast, like there's like people that are doing like some of the craziest climbs and they're doing it free solo. Like there's somebody probably free soloing right now up a 3,000 foot wall. Chalking their hands right
Jim, you're
now.
gonna free solo up that?
I'll free solo up that one little rock face
your
right there.
110? You get up there 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'll free solo that with my 110. Rah.
That's just not, I'm sorry, homie, I don't mean to be flawless. Yeah, I seen that envy in your eye when you saw this. Yeah, and when you shoot your shot, it make you a target. You're getting caught, they wanna take all your pockets. Ooh, hey, it's a gift, how I avoid all the nonsense. Yeah, don't be a hater, it's no good for your conscience. Yeah, you from this world, I'm from somewhere far beyond it. Yeah, matter of fact, man, I don't even belong here. Cause I got a different type of swagger, dude. You ain't gon' find nobody like me on your avenues. Better come get me while you can. I'm just passing through. Ask me how I get this good. Oh, you can blame it on my attitude. Yeah. Okay, baby, that's just my attitude. Yeah, I don't blame you. If I was you, I'd probably be getting mad too. Oh, I know now, baby, there ain't no better dude.
Jimmy is still out there. Scotty, Nikhil. Jimmy's doing like a 30-minute moto or something.
I don't know what Jimmy's on today, but he was ready. He was born to ride today.
Jim came back here with a vengeance. He said, dislocate my shoulder and get away with it. Not happening.
Track turned out to be pretty good with all the rain that we've been getting. I mean, there's a couple little obstacles in the track where you avoid the heavy mud, but track turned out really good. The jumps, they lasted for like 3 motos. I didn't really go too much on the third one, but it starts getting a little sketchy on the sand. You get a little squirrely. You don't want to be landing sideways, so. But we're playing it safe. We're having a good day. It was a good turnout today, and yeah. Make sure if you guys made it this far in the video, you guys like, comment, subscribe.
Jim and Nikhil just got back from their freaking national style moto.
It was like the first time I felt like I was like battling with the boys again. Usually they're just on the track and gone, but I actually like stayed with them for once.
Yeah, we were saying, Jim, you couldn't, this was redemption, you know?
Yeah, well,
couldn't let the track win.
I didn't go down, kept on 2 wheels, and I feel pretty good on the bike. Good day.
Nikhil, crazy.
Feeling good out there?
Yep.
The sand's so good today.
Looking good. What are you, like, training for the nationals out there?
MCC, baby.
Look at you, huh? That was a lot of laps.
Hare and hound.
That was a lot of laps you logged. Yeah. How you feel? Yeah?
I mean, I wasn't hitting everything, taking it easy in spots, but at that pace.
Yeah. Just stayed out there, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Kept going for a while.
Yeah.
Actually, it was like my back and chest started to get sore.
Thing likes to drink. She drinks a lot.
Running that good old 98 race fuel.
More like 93, but that'll work.
What are you doing?
I'm kind of scared now. Those ruts are scaring the hell out of me.
Dude, you got the whole back section to just like cruise along, and then when you're over here, just try to just do something.
I'll try and lay it down a little bit. I'm kind of sucking in the sand today, but hey, we're back. We're having fun.
Yeah. There's some serious lines going in this place right now.
Dude, I sat on my balls so hard.
That was scary.
Sucked, bro. What did I even do that on? Was it the little jump before?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I had to recoup myself for a minute.
Yeah, that's a tough one.
Watch, right here he comes, look.
Holy! Man, is that good after a great day of riding with the boys, man. Sandbox did not disappoint. 710 SR's feeling good. Jimmy's back for redemption. Gotta love it.
Yeah,
Let's go.
I didn't go down, I kept on 2 wheels.
Let's go, dude.
Happy about that.
Scotty,
Let's go.
let's go,
Solid
bro. Got the 250 smoker back, but
Somewhat.
Needs a little bit of love, but we're getting on it. We're getting on it. Nikhil, living it up, killing it.
Great day.
Bob, thank you as always, bro. Killing it.
Yep.
Chicken, gotta love it. But thank you everybody that has been watching. Our subs are almost at 1,000. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep subscribing, spread the word. MX978Boyz. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you all. Let's go. MX978Boyz.